That looks really great, doesn't it? But in actual fact, it isn't. Got more problems with this location now. They're doing something to the road right outside my motorhome. And I can't move the motorhome because I'm not ready to move it. And all this was just to repair that small patch of the road there, which you can see in the middle of the screen. And it is absolutely hopeless here. I've made a mistake by coming here, but it is not my fault because how was I to know that this sort of thing was going to be going on? It was nothing like this before on the previous occasions I've been here. And well, I've got to leave. But at the same time, I cannot, because I can't afford to leave. What with all the expenditure on the repair to the motorhome and the travelling costs here, it's impossible to leave. This is what they have done. They're repairing and patching up the road. So I had a look round after I'd repaired the bike to see exactly what the problem was, or what the problem is. And this is what the problem is. The whole of the ski centre is being completely restored, and that is making a lot of extra traffic and a lot of extra vehicles and maintenance vehicles that are causing a lot of problems to me. So having got the repairs done on the e-bike, which I was not able to do particularly well because of the circumstances, I decided to cycle around the area to find out exactly what's been going on. And that there is where I used to park, but can no longer park. There's vehicles all over the place, works vehicles. That's the car park. That used to be free. They've even got what it looks like a flock camera to me, which is one of those dreadful number plate readers. It is absolutely terrible here. Here's all the equipment that they're bringing in to completely redo the ski slopes themselves, all the various mechanical things. That there is a car park that's further down, and that's cordoned off as well. So there we have the big problem, because all that area now, which was the big free car park for motorhomes, is completely full of stuff to do with the ski centre. Don't come here. It's an absolute nightmare.